Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'd like to talk about building a colorful capsule wardrobe, where to start and what to consider. Starting with the first step, which is defining your color palette. Decide on the range of colors you want to incorporate into your wardrobe. Consider the colors that resonate with you and complement your skin tone. Identify whether your undertone is warm, cold, or neutral. There are a number of ways to identify your skin undertone. The easiest one is to check the color of your veins on your wrist. Blue veins often indicate cooler undertones, while greenish veins suggest warm undertones. Metal test is another way to determine your undertone. Do you look better in gold or silver? If gold suits you, you have warm undertones. If silver looks good on you, your undertones are cool. And if both metals look fine on you, you have neutral undertones. If you have warm undertones, opt for colors like warm reds, oranges, yellows, olive greens, and earthy browns. Those hues enhance your natural warmth. For cooler undertones, go for colors like cool blues, purples, pinks, cool greens, and jewel tones. These shades complement the coolness of your skin. Color analysis is a tool that you can use to determine which colors flatter you most. Based on your overall appearance and particularly the color of your eyes, hair, and skin, you will be assigned one of 12 color seasons. Each color season comes with a color palette specifically designed to harmonize with your natural coloring. The second step is to assess your existing wardrobe. Take a look at your current clothing collection. Identify any colorful pieces you already own that align well with your chosen palette. Thus, these pieces can serve as a foundation of your colorful capsule wardrobe. Set your wardrobe goals. Determine the purpose of your wardrobe and occasion you will need the outfits for. Are you building a wardrobe for work, casual outings, or a mix of both? Define your lifestyle needs to guide your selections. Just like any capsule wardrobe, start with the versatile basics that form the foundation of your outfits. So this can include black, white, or neutral pieces that will complement your colorful items. Consider having one or two neutral colors, such as black, white, or gray, as a foundation. These neutrals can help anchor your colorful pieces. Incorporate patterned items that align with your color palette, so these patterns can add visual interest and variety to your outfits. As you select pieces, visualize how they can be paired with other items in your wardrobe. And remember, the goal is to create a cohesive collection that offers numerous outfit combinations. So when it comes to the color palette size, it's recommended to select around 3 to 5 main colors for your capsule wardrobe, and that allows for a balance between variety and cohesiveness. Color Wheel is a great tool that can help you find specific color combinations that work well together in a colorful capsule wardrobe. So consider how layers and accessories can enhance your colorful outfits. For example, scarves, belts, jewelry, and shoes can help tie your looks together. Plan for seasonal changes by including items suitable for different weather conditions. Transitional pieces can help you maximize the usability of your wardrobe throughout the year. Think about how colors in your palette align with your different seasons. Therefore, you might adjust your color choices based on the time of the year. Focus on quality pieces that will withstand wear and time. Durable fabrics and well-made garments ensure longevity. You know by now that I love having my clothes custom-made when I can't find the right fit or style. This way, I do not compromise on color, fabric, or fit. Instead, I prefer to spend a little bit more knowing that this item will be perfect for me. Online couture service like Dressart makes the delivery process more attainable, since you can order your clothes straight from your home. I hope you guys found these tips useful, and if you did, please like, subscribe and share, and it will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.